Like the consistency was very streaky when I was using it. I think it was from like high school. Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. So today's minimalism video is going to be some intentional shoppings. I wanted to share with you guys some things that I picked up for the new year on Boxing Day. They're very intentional pieces. A lot of these are replenishing pieces and things that are part of my current aesthetic. So I thought I'd share that with you guys if you guys were curious. So it's a very small haul, but yeah, I don't believe in deprivation in your minimalism. I believe that if it's intentional and it adds value to your life, then why not? So let's get right into the video. So we're gonna start off with the stuff that I replenished. So I ended up getting one of these. So you guys know that my curl pattern is different from my natural curl pattern. For those of you who've been following me for a period of time, this curl pattern is actually made with one of these. I have a white one, but it's getting kind of busted and I've been using it for about a year. So this was on sale. This was $9. So I got a new one, and this is what it looks like. I used it last night. It's a thicker curl, like it's a bigger curl, where my other one is a tighter curl. So I guess if I want different curl patterns, I can use this. And it's fantastic because I have bleached hair and my hair is so soft and very healthy for bleached hair. Because I don't use any heat, I just use this. I don't use a blow dryer or like a curling iron or anything. So these are fantastic and I'm really happy to have gotten this on sale. The next thing that I got, and you guys will see the majority of the stuff is pink, I picked up makeup remover. I really like this one. This is the Garnier Micellar water, cleansing water. I think this stuff is amazing. This is like my 4th or 5th bottle. I think it's fantastic. I love using this because in China, this used to be an import product and it was so expensive. So it's really nice to be able to get it here on a more affordable budget. This was $15 from Rexall. Actually, all of this was at Rexall. I went on a road trip with my dad. And we went to a Rexall, and like the prices in smaller towns is just so much more affordable than Toronto. So I was like, we should cop some stuff. The next thing that I did is I picked up some nail lacquers. I really like these. These Sally Hansen, these like tiny ones are really good. So I actually finished my clear bottle. I completely was like done it. I was scraping the bottom out of it. So I was like, time to replenish. I've never finished a colorway. The only color I've ever finished is the clear. So the clear is a replenish, which is fantastic. I actually also finished a pink one. That one was also very old and goopy. Like the consistency was very streaky when I was using it. I think it was from like high school. So I finished most of it off and I got rid of it. And so because of that, I have brought in the 1 in, 1 out rule. I got On a Cloud 9. I've never seen this colorway in Toronto. There was a lot of colorways I had never seen in this small town. It's called Guelph, if for anyone who wants to know. Yeah, in Guelph, I was like, I've never seen these colorways in Toronto. In Toronto, everything is always sold out. There's like never anything. So it was really nice to like have my pickings of colorway. I'm like in my pink era. So also picked up e.l.f. in colorways I have never seen in Toronto, which is so exciting. You guys know that I really like e.l.f. a lot. I think it's amazing. Like it's cruelty free for one. It's a very affordable price point and the quality is it's as good as designer brand. Yeah, I was really excited. I have never seen these colorways. I finished one. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, I had a sparkly one and I completely finished it. So I saw that they had a clear version. I've never seen that in Toronto. So really excited. This is the e.l.f. lacquer. I think this is, yeah, the lip lacquer in the clear. So that's very exciting. And then I picked up these. I've never seen these in Toronto either. Maybe I was just late to the game or they're completely sold out. These two are the lip plumping gloss. This one is in pink sugar, which is absolutely gorgeous. I've been going ham at this one already. Like only been like a couple days and I'm already here. Love it so much. And I haven't opened this one yet. And this one is in the pink Cosmos. So I'm gonna open that. These smell so good. They smell like cupcakes. I can see why there were none in Toronto. These are really, like, they're awesome. I can see why these are popular. So I won't be picking up any anytime soon because we don't really have any here in Toronto. So that was fun. And then also ended up picking up this one. This is the Clarins in the 01. This is the lip comfort oil. Amazing. I just recently bought another one. Let me show you guys. Yeah. So this is my 2nd bottle of this. It's so good. Like, it's so good. Like, it's a 10 out of 10. The fact that I'm buying a 2nd one, you guys know me. Like, I will buy the same thing on repeat. I don't like to try new things. Like, I believe in holy grails. If something works and it's good, I will keep buying it till I'm sick of it. So I think this thing is amazing. Like, I'll show you guys. It's this beautiful, like, cherry oil. And and honey and the fat nub is so comfortable to use, guys. Like, you guys know that I don't really wear much makeup anymore. I'm literally not wearing any makeup for this. Like, I threw on a dress shirt, but yeah, I don't really wear makeup anymore. I'd rather something that like nourishes me. So these lip oils are just everything. So I think they're really good for like if you're not really into wearing makeup anymore, but you still want to have like that like dewy, glowy kind of vibe. I think these lip oils, as you guys can see, I put my money where my mouth is. I'm just into lip glosses. I don't want to wear makeup. I just want to put on a lip gloss and call it a day. And oh yes, the next item that I got, I actually have one coming in the mail, but honestly, work's gonna start picking up. I'm really not gonna have time to film this, so I'm just gonna have to put it up on a screen share, and then if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll just share it with you guys on Instagram. But I ended up picking this one for the Boxing Day sale at Aritzia, and oh my gosh, I love these. This is actually not my first of these type. So last year during my minimalism break, I had picked up the Babaton in the contour fit. These things are so soft. It's made of like a polyester, polystane type of material. This is in the colorway White Sand. I originally ordered a white, but I went back and exchanged it because I wanted the white sand. I wanted more of like that dusty ash beige. So this is what it looks like. It's so freaking cute. I had one last year and it was in the sleeve, and I wanted the long sleeve because I've fallen in love with these type of like higher grade material. I have mentioned in some of my other videos that like cotton doesn't wear well. Like, it's nice for a couple washes, and then just cotton starts to yellow and it doesn't look good. But I find I don't have the issue with these type of fabrics, and like they're actually pretty comfortable and they wash better. Like, if you put them in those baggies, you wash them, they just last so much better. So I feel like, yeah, I'm paying, you know, $10 more, $20 more for this one, but it wears better and it lasts longer. So it's actually better, because I'll be honest, it just breaks my heart to constantly have to replace my cotton clothes, and sometimes they're not that cheap. Like at Aritzia, I was paying like $40 for them still. So I would just rather invest in these pieces instead, and I'm just like a lot happier. And then the other piece that I ended up getting was this one. This is the TNA romper in the long pants. I know I said I wasn't gonna get any more, but this was on my wish list since I want to say 2021. I really wanted to turn or to open the long romper. This was the romper that started it all. But I could never justify it at $90. I was like, that's just too much. Like, I can't justify that. But the fact that it went on sale, and it went on sale for $48, I was like, that's a really good price point. That's about as cheap as my regular rompers. I was like, we are gonna get it. And they're actually really comfy to be around at home. I don't wear them in public because I don't want to be exposed from the chest up in public. But when I'm home, it's fine. So I was like, this is gonna be the last romper that I'm buying. Like, I finally have every romper that I ever wanted. I definitely don't want a black romper. I have a couple black rompers and I never reached for them. But I think white and turner taupe rompers is a mood, is a vibe. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up for Boxing Day. Very intentional, a lot of replenishes, more unique colorways that just I wouldn't really have here in Toronto. So I hope that you guys enjoy that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.